Do your intro.
Hello, guys. We are trying to. Okay, so.
Good intro already.
Okay, good intro. Best intro in the world.
Right? Still very much better.
Okay, better than a little earlier. Okay, this is the
This is-
second video, I think. Yeah,
Second video.
Yeah, the second video of the stunt of a second impossible challenge, and
We're just essentially trying to get
we're trying to get
this
over
car
that.
up this thing right
Anyway, if y'all think it's easy,
here. You go out and try for yourself.
yeah, get one of these things.
It's not very easy. Then you got these crazy people.
In my hair.
What'd she do?
Matt put corn dog in my. It's wet. It was in your mouth.
We're making a YouTube video. You're in it now.
Oh my god.
Yeah, and we got them. And we got those crazy people. Okay.
Yeah, and
So attempt number one. Hand me the camera.
attempt number 1. Okay, here you go.
Okay. So the star, me, stunt man,
What? You forgot the producer here.
and the director,
The director, producer, whatever.
producer.
I look like crap today. Okay, here's attempt number 1. We're gonna go too fast, but we're gonna go somewhat fast.
Yeah, like this. Okay. As you can see, we made it at least that far up, but not that far. Okay. Trying to make it to at least get the back wheels on.
Fine. No, not today.
And on our left, you can see a crazy fat dude running for his life.
For you. Okay.
You would.
No, thank you. Attempt number 2. Move out the way. We're trying to do something here.
Okay.
Attempt number 2. Come on.
You're on YouTube. You can look yourself up later.
Attempt number 2. We're gonna go a bit faster. We actually made it.
And we did it. We did it.
Yeah.
I thought that'd be impossible. So now, crazy lady earlier we were trying to climb a tree, and that tree over there, and she's was like, get out of the tree, and no one was getting down. And
Watch this. I feel like a ninja.
I can do that.
I dare you just jump straight over it. Give me the camera first, though.
I didn't do this.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Here we go. He's gonna try to jump over this. Getting a 2-in-1 deal. Okay, my turn. My turn.
I did that.
My turn. Come here. Here. My turn. Let me see.
I'm making a YouTube video.
I'm gonna jump across it. Long way here.
Oh, I thought you were gonna hit Max.
I did too. That would have been funny.
Again.
He's
We'll
gonna
do
do it. He's gonna do it the way he wants. Let's go with it. Now here he goes. Yeah, like I said, he's getting a 2 for deal. Oh, you want to do it like that?
No, I did this. I went around it without touching it and landing in front.
You want to see me do this?
Sure.
I can go over that.
Oh, sorry, I kind of didn't get that.
Oh, forget you. You want to see me try it again then?
Yeah. No, I really didn't get that.
What?
Really, I didn't get that.
Okay.
Stop! Oh, never mind. I got a good angle. I thought I wouldn't get a good angle. Now we're gonna do that again. From this side.
Forget you from this side.
Woo! Okay, that was good. Now, my turn.
Your turn. This is a lot harder than it seems, people. Let's go with it. Hello! Say hello to your friends there. Right away. Hold on. There's your friends here in the window. Hello! I'm sorry you had to miss that there.
Ow! Ow! I did this. I jumped in.
Why don't you demonstrate that again? Because I didn't totally get that.
Oh, dirt.
Here we go. Hold on. Stop. Shut up. Go on. Your turn. Go on. Don't let your pants. Why are you showing your buttocks on YouTube? Go! Do the jump. You look like Dukes of Hazzard now. And that would be it for this video, right? Oh, there's one more thing.
Oh, you want a derby?
And here this goes. This crazy kid just run all over the place. Then you got Parker here. Good old Parker. Lots of damage there, wasn't it? Watch out behind you, Parker. Here he comes. Forget ya. You're just hating. She's a hater. I don't care.
I'm not a hater.
Well, forget to do dog fight.